Hi everybody, we are going to move into working on Schoology this week. So you need to go into Science, then scroll down to Chapter 9, Minerals and Ores. I know we just took our test on that. We are getting ready to do a project. You're going to scroll down again until you see Mineral Most Wanted Project. Alright, and then here's our expectations. So we're going to complete mineral research paper or sheet prior to working on your poster, which is what our goal is. You're going to conduct research and cite all your sources. So any page or any information you find from a website, you need to make sure that you cite it at the end of your project. We're using only reliable internet sources, so no Wikipedia is allowed by anybody. Your poster must include a digital photo and a name of your assigned mineral. You must include a full paragraph that describes the physical properties of your mineral. You should take on the role of an officer who's seeking a criminal mineral. So this is like our most wanted, they committed a crime. If possible, try to add a little dialect from the Wild West. For example, you could use slang words such as howdy partner, giddy up, skedaddle, anything like that. Proper spelling and grammar, not including slang. So you shouldn't be using any texting language or anything like that for this project. Make sure in your full paragraph it is not copy and pasted off of a website, because if you are doing that, you will have plagiarism, which will end up in a 0. Be creative, design your poster with the Wild West theme, and make sure to fully look over the example. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here to Mineral Most Wanted. And when you do that, it's going to take you to your Google Drive. So you need to be logged into Google prior to doing this. So make sure you're logged into your Google account and then opening Schoology just to make sure that you get to the right spot. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Let's see if I can. That was the wrong direction. Let's try 200. Nope, too much. Okay, so we'll go back to 100. Alright, so what we're doing, so our description here, we're making a wanted poster sign for the public for our criminal. Sorry, the bell's ringing because I'm obviously at school today, working. So our wanted poster have been around for centuries, but most noted for the period of the Wild West from 1865 to 1895. So your project is to create a wanted poster for your mineral of choice. Background information. So a mineral, we know what a mineral is because we just studied about it and took our test. So coming from a form of a crystal, how specific chemical combination, their properties are color, streak, luster, hardness, specific gravity, cleavage, and fracture. So our expectations down here. So this is where we just went over these, and this is where we're not using Wikipedia and we're not like copy and pasting anything. So the minerals are going to be first come, first serve. So how that's going to work is you're going to email me what mineral you're picking, and these are your options, 1 through 40. So plenty of options to pick from. So you will email me those tomorrow on Wednesday, February 17th. Then, so here's our mineral research page. So you're going to fill out your mineral research page. You're doing all of this on your Google and filling out the name, the alias, property, descriptions, all of this fun stuff about your mineral. All right, the next thing you're going to do is the second part of your research page. So again, more questions. I ask you exactly what I'm looking for these things, any fun facts about it, etc. Here is our citation page. So this is where you need to make sure that you keep track of your websites that you're going to. So you need your website link, your author's name, your author's title, the publisher of the website, and the date it was published, and the date that you received it or got the information off the internet was date accessed. And then another page if you need to continue. Here's where we're working on our wanted poster. So this is the last thing you'll do. You'll fill out all of your research first, and then you'll make your poster. So you're going to insert your name, you're going to put your mineral right there, wanted by, and your description. And then here's our rubric about how I'm grading this. An example. So here's an example for pyrite, fool's gold. And we talked a lot about this in chapter 9. So you can see like how I've came up with this description and everything that for this. And then also works cited page. Okay, if you have any questions, you just need to email me, cchassan@victorylakeland.org, or go to Schoology and you can get my email address. But this we are working on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Have fun!